Welcome to Dumpster Control's quick training series. In this video, we'll show how to customize your online booking page. Let's get started. On this page, you can customize the design and features of your online booking page. My booking page URL. Here is the URL of your online booking page. Let's check it out. Click Copy and paste this URL into another tab of your browser. Online booking, on/off. Clicking this button allows you to activate or deactivate your online booking page. If you haven't set up a payment method, your booking page will be automatically deactivated. You can set up Stripe to start receiving payments now. Let's start with the colors. For the primary color, define the main color of your brand. Click this square to set the color manually. If you know the RGB code for the color, enter it in this input. Repeat the same actions for the secondary color. Please avoid using the color white, as the background of the booking page is also white, which may cause the items to be invisible. Social media and reviews. We recommend adding a link to your Google Reviews profile. Reviews greatly help your website appear on the first page of Google. Dumpster Controls sends emails to end customers requesting reviews. You can also provide links to your main social networks. If you don't have one, you can leave the field empty. Logo. You can upload your personalized logo, which will be displayed on your online booking page. In operation days, pay attention to this part. Here you inform the app which days you deliver or pick up dumpsters. For example, if you disable Sunday, the system will not allow any customer to rent a dumpster for delivery or pickup on Sunday. Click on the Delivery Distance Charges button. This page is very important. We need to know your service area to allow or disallow dumpster rentals at addresses provided by customers on the online booking page. Please verify if your headquarters address is correct. If it's not correct, you can make changes. Maximum delivery distance from headquarters. Here you set the maximum operating distance radius for your company. In the example displayed, I configured 50 miles as the maximum distance I serve. Therefore, we will not allow customers who are more than 50 miles from your headquarters to rent dumpsters through the online booking. Distance for best delivery price without extra charge. Now you inform the distance you serve without charging any extra fees. This is your standard working zone. In the example, I configured 20 miles. Extra charge per mile beyond the best price distance. Here you set the price you charge per mile if the order is outside your standard working zone. In the example, I charge $1 per mile. Alternatively, you can leave this field empty and not charge extra for farther addresses. The online booking algorithms use this information to calculate the dumpster rental price. Promotion code. Here you can create discount coupons for your customers. Create a new promotional code. Choose a code for the coupon. The system is case sensitive and distinguishes between uppercase and lowercase letters. Select the discount percentage. Choose how much discount you want to offer for this promotional code. Expiration date. Choose an expiration date. If you leave the input blank, the promotional code will have unlimited validity. Set promo code usage limit. Select how many times the code can be used. If you leave the input blank, the code can be used an unlimited number of times. On the right side of the screen, you can view the usage of promotional codes, edit existing coupons, or delete them. Rental agreement. Here you can configure a customized dumpster rental agreement. This agreement will be displayed on the booking page, and your customer is required to agree to the terms before making payment. We provide a standard rental agreement that needs to be reviewed according to your operational standards. We are not liable for the use of the provided standard agreement. We recommend creating a personalized rental agreement written by an authorized specialist according to the laws of your state. Congratulations! You are ready to succeed and boost your online sales. Stay tuned for more quick training videos and happy dumpster managing.